Welcome to Halaxy. You have just joined thousands of medical and health practices dedicated to making healthcare better. Halaxy is practice and patient management software customized specifically to your profession and to your practice setup. Whether it's a sole, group, or large multidisciplinary practice, Halaxy doesn't just reduce your administration. Halaxy removes it entirely so you can get back to what really matters: treating your patients. With Halaxy, all you need to do is make a booking and everything is done for you. The invoice, clinical note template, patient record, reminder, financial report, and even the payment. This saves you minutes per appointment, giving you up to an hour of your day back. In this video, we're going to set up your practice, including your practice details and hours, and your practitioner profile. And then, we'll create your first appointment so you can see how the Halaxy workflow automates your admin for you straight away. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start running your practice from your calendar, all in under 5 minutes. Let's jump in. The most important thing to get started in Halaxy is to set up your practice details. On the sidebar, click Personal, then click Locations. Click Edit, then enter your practice details for this location, including your business address, UEN, and contact details. You can also choose a color for the location. This color codes your practice hours for this location in your calendar. Click Save. Now, let's add your practice hours. Next to hours, click Add another schedule. If you have the same practice hours every week, set the schedule frequency to weekly. Then, click Add New to your hours in your weekly schedule. You can add more days or a different time segment on the same day. Don't forget to leave time for lunch. When you're done, click Save. Next, click Profile to set up your professional information. In the top right, click Edit and enter your personal details and contact email address. Now, you can enter your qualifications, professional description, and areas of focus for your Halaxy directory profile and online bookings page, which we'll cover in a later video. When you're ready, click Save Profile. Great! Your practice is set up. By entering your details once, they automatically transfer across to your calendar, invoices, and letterheads for you. You are now ready to manage and automate your practice, all just by making appointments. Click on the Halaxy logo to open the calendar. Your calendar is now color-coded based on your location practice hours. Click a specific date and time in the calendar to create an appointment. Type the patient's name, then click the drop-down to add them as a new patient. You can then fill out as much or as little of the patient's details as needed. This creates a patient profile in your Halaxy software, where you can add more details later. Next, under Fees, type the name of the service you're providing and import it from Halaxy's global database to add it to your fee list. For this example, we'll be creating a consultation appointment for a patient covered by Community Health Assistance Scheme. Importing a fee means that you're also importing the relevant rebate or benefit amount and the funding body, so you don't have to add this yourself. All you need to do is enter the amount you charge, and this is saved to this fee for the next time. If the fee is not in the database, or if your patient has private health insurance, you can manually create your own fee and use Private Health Insurance Singapore as the funder. Now, save the appointment. By adding a preset fee, Halaxy automatically configures the funding body's claim. For chairs, that will be the patient's NRIC, card tier, and validity date. If necessary, you may also add a referral. When you enter these in the calendar appointment, they are saved to the patient's profile, automatically populating in the next appointment with you. As you can see, just by following the simple process of creating an appointment, you have also completed several other tasks. You have created a new patient profile and saved their claim details. You have imported a fee and its details. You have automatically generated an invoice and a clinical note for the appointment. In the invoice, all the correct information is populated. You can even add your registration numbers, which will now automatically display for all appointments with this funding body at this location. This is the power of Halaxy. Everything is automatically linked, so you can manage every aspect of your practice just from your calendar alone. So now, you can say goodbye to administration and say hello to a galaxy of health, where everything is automatically done for you, so you can focus on treating your patients. Welcome to Halaxy.